What's the meaning of coffee morning? Coffee morning. Coffee morning.
Coffee morning. Coffee morning.
A coffee morning typically refers to a social gathering where people come together over a cup of coffee and light snacks, such as pastries or biscuits. It is a casual and informal event that allows friends, neighbors, or co-workers to catch up, chat, and relax. The main focus is on socializing and enjoying each other's company rather than conducting serious business or holding structured discussions. Coffee mornings are often held in community centers, offices, or homes and can be organized for various occasions, such as fundraising, celebrating special events, or simply as a regular get-together.